Hi everyone, this is Bree, Michelle, and Mark, and we're leaders of the Mobile Institute on Scientific Teaching. We're gonna take you through a brief tutorial of our LibreText page, which is just a one-stop shop for all of the resources that you'll need during the Institute. So at the very top of the page, you'll see the schedule for the week. All of the workshops are listed in green on the schedule, and they're also linked down below. So if you look at tile number 1, it's labeled Missed, Who, and What. You click on 1.1 about MIST. That'll give you some of the background information, our mission and goals of MIST. And then if you were to click on 1.2, it tells you all of the facilitators, the leaders, and the participants who are going to be there and a part of your institute. You'll also find their contact information there. So if we move over to tile 2, interactive workshops, that's going to provide you with the information and resources that you need for each of the workshops during the week. And I'm going to pass it over to Michelle to tell you a little bit more about that.
Thanks, Bree. Each of the workshops has its own web page, and it has a consistent format to let you get familiar with that. So I'm going to quickly walk you through our backward design workshop page so you can see that in action. So each workshop starts with a workshop overview, which is a brief description followed by learning outcomes, key terms, and strategies used during that workshop. You'll then have a pre-workshop, during workshop, and post-workshop session. The pre-workshop will have a brief background, and if there's a list of tasks, those are your pre-homework to prepare for that workshop. During workshop contains a chronological list of the activities you'll go through in that workshop with their corresponding resources and Google links when necessary. The post-workshop will have resources link, and again, if there's a task list there, that will be your post-workshop homework. Those are followed by 2 sessions references for all the materials we use in that workshop and session slides. That'll take you to a Google folder that houses the PowerPoint file for that day, potentially a recording based on your workshop. If you scroll back to the top of the page in the upper right-hand corner, there is a table of contents. And that table of contents will let you quickly navigate through the page without having to scroll through everything. To the left of that, you'll see some convenient navigation arrows that will take you to adjacent pages. And if you'd like to make a bigger jump back to the main page, if you go up to the blue section ellipse, that will show you the crumbs that lead you back to the places you've come from. So we're going to go back to the main page, and I'm going to hand off to Mark, and he's going to tell you about the remaining tiles for group work, treasure chest, and discussion forum.
So you're going to be spending a lot of the time at the Institute working with others. And so we have group work session information here. You can learn about what we're going to do. And very importantly is this link out, one of multiple ways to get to your Google Drive folder. Once you click on that, you'll be able to find your institution. And in your institution's page, your facilitators will make specific group folders for your group to correlate material that you're working on during the week. Go back up to the main page. In the bottom left corner of most of the pages is this number 4, treasure chest, where there's additional literature, references, and you may find some additional resources. And then there's an opportunity for you to engage in discussions during the workshop and after the workshop. We encourage that you navigate through this page of your own in order to see who is participating and what to expect for each upcoming session. We hope you have a great workshop.